here to report from the highest peak I've ever reached. Newly reached connection speeds for my TP-Link Archer AX80 AX6000 8-stream Wi-Fi 6 router. Let's unbox this. 8 streams with the TP-Link Archer AX80 AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 router. You can expect up to 6 gigabits per second for ultra-fast browsing, streaming, and downloading. Better yet, you can do all that at the same time thanks to the 8 high-gain antennas for vast coverage. For an even faster connection, the router comes equipped with 3 LAN ports, 1 WAN/LAN port, and 1 2.5 gigabit per second WAN/LAN port. The 2.5 gigabits per second WAN/LAN port is a game changer for those that have faster gig plus internet speeds. Now you can take full advantage of your beefy setup to win at games, work, and life. Sleek, stunning, and powerful. Upgrade your home Wi-Fi with the TP-Link Archer AX80 AX6000 8-stream Wi-Fi 6 router. Now on Newegg.